Nice sack, man.
Oh, thanks. Today at Venture Surplus, we're going to check out one of the most commonly asked questions, which is how do you dangle a pouch in an RRV or similar rig? So let's get on the ground and check out how you do it. All right, so the answer to this, how to mount a dangler, is pretty simple. On the RRV, there's 5 rows of MOLLE in height, so that's a lot of MOLLE space to play with on the RV, and it gives you the ability to mount the dangler on that 5th row that's exposed. Now, something you have to consider though, is you have full-size magazine pouches. They take up 3 rows of MOLLE, kind of dangle onto a 4th, but with that 5 rows in height, you have plenty of space to mount them up 1 higher than normal. So just make sure you're mounting them 1 higher than normal, and you'll leave that 5th row exposed. So that's pretty simple. Now let's mount this dangler on there to get a look at what it looks like and how it kind of weaves in on that 1 row exposed. All right, so the actual mounting of the dangler is pretty simple. Because we have that exposed 5th row right here, we're just gonna weave this onto that row. So once you weave it on, you're gonna weave it through that row on your pouch itself and then snap it in, and it's pretty simple. For example, how that looks is gonna be just like this with this assault pouch on there. I've got it in that 5th row, and then it's dangling down, weaved through just to contain the straps a little bit, and then butt snapped on. Retention wise, it's fine, it's not gonna fall off. And then even when it's filled up, even with this kind of deeper pouch right here, or the taller pouch that the assault pouch is, I'm not gonna feel it dangling against me. It's not gonna be hitting my nuts or nothing like that. Especially if you're wearing your RV on the higher end, gotta adjust it up tight on you. This dangler pouch, it's not gonna dangle on you, other than just giving you a little bit extra space. So overall, dangling a pouch on the RV, it's a great way to upgrade the amount of space and real estate, and use the real estate to the maximum amount of ability on your RV. So that way you can run canteen pouches, IFAC pouches, and you have a specialty kind of pouch on there, magazine pouches, and then run a large GP style pouch and have plenty of room for everything you need to have on your RV. But yeah, it's a little thing you can do on there, pretty simple, and it adds a lot to the RV so you can get the most out of it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick tip of how to dangle a pouch in an RV. It's pretty simple, and if you don't have a pouch to do it with, make sure you head on venturesurplus.com and pick up something like a utility pouch or an assault pouch, because they're really 2 good pouches to dangle with an RV. If you don't have an RV and you want one, make sure you head on over as well, because we got LARP Tactical Task Force RVs, which are really great one-to-one reproductions of the Eagle Industries RV in Multicam and Ranger Green. So pick one of those up if you're looking for an RV, because we got them and they're pretty awesome. Just make sure you sign up for emails while you're over there as well, because that's when you find out new stock, restock, sales, featured items, everything in between, coupon codes, stuff like that. And on Instagram, you're gonna see this gear on a near daily basis, so you can learn more about it before you buy it and make sure it's the right pouch for you. So thanks for watching, appreciate you watching, and leave a comment below with any other gear tips, things like that you want to see in the future.